Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Pre-Ramadan practical planning. Get Eid gifts and dress materials ready now. Don't waste even a single minute deciding what to wear on Eid day. Iftar and suhoor menu. Plan your menu for Ramadan now. Store all dry items and frozen items in your refrigerator. Analyze yourself. Start staying up after Fajr and Isha for worship from now so that it becomes easy when Ramadan starts. Dua list. Organize your dua list for yourself, family, friends, and for the whole ummah for all the goodness of this world and hereafter. Mark and gather all the duas that you want to recite in Ramadan and also start memorizing the duas also. Stamina building. Start eating less. Train yourself to stay hungry for little more time each day. Make a goal list. Make realistic goal of how much you want to recite the Quran in a day and reflect on the meaning of the verses by reading its tafsir. Deep clean house. Clean your house so that it minimizes cleaning and suffice during Ramadan. Remember, this is just for 1 month, a precious, special and blessed month. Alhamdulillah. Dear Allah, please accept our fasting in this beautiful Ramadan.